tables I've created. If you don't see entity relationship, you go down to more shapes and find entity relationships here. Since I already have them here, they're checked off. They also allow data flow diagrams. Click on that, I'll see the gain Sarsen data flow diagram symbols. And a 1. Okay, I don't need UML right now. I need entity relationship. Click on that. And I'm going to start with my simple roles table. Has a run key. That, drag that over. Click on that. Double click, role ID. Table, double click. Row 1. Row 2. Privilege. Row 3. I don't need that. Let's see if I can delete that one. Oh, let's try to delete there. Delete key. There. So there's my roles table. Okay. And next I can right click, drag across. And let's leave room so you can see them all in here. Let's do a similar one with one primary key. Drag it over, click and drag. I don't need to see styles. I have styles. Okay. Users. Primary key is user ID. Double click. First. Now, how do I add more? Let's try right click, duplicate. Double click. And that would be my right click. Oh, I guess I have to click off that. Right click, duplicate. Oh! Wrong one. Control C. Click. I think either one I can duplicate. Right click, duplicate. There we go. Get registered. Click. Let's try that. Duplicate that one. Oh, it also duplicates our row. Date. Last one. Probably should have typed to be consistent login last, but I'll leave it as named there. Right click. Oh, click. Right click. Alias. ID. Last one. Click once there. Now click in the right place. There we go. And role ID. Alright, so I have my two tables. And now I'm just going to indicate the one-to-many relationship. I have the one-to-many right here. Lots of other relationships, zero-to-many. They help you to remember your symbols as well. Privilege level is still one-to-many. One privilege may be assigned to many users. That's the typical connection, one-to-many. Zero-to-many means you may not have a privilege level. I like to assign a default privilege level, so I'm going to choose one-to-many. Click and drag this. I think if I click on it, it just appears as well. So I click and drag this, and I want to assign it to that. You notice the green. When you get the green, that means it will move with that object. I like that connection. Grab this end of it, drag that to the. Oh, I dragged it to the wrong side over there. This does not go there. This goes down here. And if I click on that and adjust it, I can adjust. It's supposed to adjust. Let's see. Disconnect it and redo it. Let's try it. A little odd behavior, maybe because this. There we go. So if it gets too close, it does the goofy kink in it. So give enough separation, and I get the normal looking one-to-many relationship. And then you can continue creating tables. I'll control zoom out a little bit. And of course, don't forget to put in a title. guess that would be MISC title. We'll call it our gamified learning entity relationship diagram. Since we've been using it, we can use the acronym without defining it. And then adjust mine to rectangle. It'll be centered in my rectangle. If you want to beautify it, you can add surrounding rectangles. Oh, that's selected. I guess I have to drag a rectangle over there, and then I can surround, fill with nothing, make it a wider line. You want to frame it. That's your choice. There we go.